Hey everyone, welcome back to Altcoin Disrupt, top 5 altcoins to watch in January 2023. The Coti hard fork went live on December 29th. The Flare airdrop will be distributed on January the 9th. Chiliz 2.0 could launch in January. So some big news heading into this new year. So it's looking quite interesting. So let's start with Chiliz, shall we? Chiliz leads altcoin to watch. Chiliz is a digital cryptocurrency used in sport entertainment industry. Its native token of the Socios platform, home to various football national team fan tokens. While the CHZ price was expected to increase during 2022 FIFA World Cup, it failed to do so and actually decrease considerably. So this is the Chiliz coin, currently 10 cents per token. I've looked at the Chiliz token before. I've made videos on the token before. So be sure to check out those videos on the YouTube channel. But it's certainly been losing value throughout the entirety of this year. I mean, so is the entire market, to be honest. But Chiliz is looking real undervalued right now. Just around 682 million in market cap. Now, Ethereum is the big one. Of course, Ethereum supply nearly becomes deflationary. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency based on its market cap, trailing only Bitcoin. Therefore, it's the largest altcoin. While no imminent news is coming up in January 2023, the supply dynamics since the launch of ETH 2.0 are impressive. In the 105 days since the ETH merge, the total ETH supply has increased by 4,707 ETH, or a percentage of 0.0039. This amounts to annual inflation of 0.014%. This pales in comparison to the 3.58 pre-merge inflation and 1.7.1 inflation of Bitcoin. However, the ETH price movement is not bullish yet because the altcoin is trading below the $1,250 horizon support area. This is a crucial area that has intermittently acted as both support and resistance since June. I'd still argue that ETH is still undervalued right now. Consider that the entire market has lost so much value. You have to consider that the price of ETH was almost 4 times what its value right now. Let's go back a little bit in history. Last year, let's go back a little bit in history. 2021 in November, ETH was above $4,627 per coin. That is wild. Not to mention, it wasn't too long ago that the Ethereum price was just around $100. I remember when it was around $110, $114. This was the early parts of 2022. It wasn't too long ago. How much has changed? So it's lost a big amount of value, but I guarantee you in the next bull run, it's going to gain a lot of this back. Maybe not all, but it's going to gain a lot back. So next that we're looking at is Flare. It's a new emergent altcoin. It's an exciting addition since it's not been released yet. Its snapshot of December 12, 2020 received much hype. At the time, it was announced that users will be rewarded with 1 FLR token for each XRP token they hold. After more than 2 years, the airdrop will finally be released on January the 9th, supported by numerous exchanges including Binance. Now, of course, I've never heard of Flare before, but I'll be sure to check it out. So this is some information on Flare. We've actually got some tokenomics information. We won't go much into this information. There will be 100 billion tokens in distribution, all being allocated in different areas. But this is a quick look at Flare. I need to make a full video on Flare, that is for sure. There is the airdrop coming quite soon. It looks like they also have a YouTube channel, so that's a good start. That's a nice way to impress me. So that was a quick look at Flare. Now the next one is Ergo, reduce emissions. Current price just around $1.21. Market cap 71 million. Ranked 22 in the world. I have to double check on that. So Ergo is a smart contract platform that aims to provide economical freedoms to ordinary people through decentralized and accessible financial tools. Simply put, the Ergo platform delivers a simple way to implement financial contracts. On January the 9th, at block height 1.2 million, the emissions per block will drop from 45 to 42. This is part of a gradual decreasing curve that will lead to block emissions of only 3 ERG at network height of 1,760,000. The ERG price has been falling underneath a descending resistance line since October the 12th and is trading very low to all-time low. However, there's also a massive bullish divergence that is developed in the daily RSI green lines, such as divergence often precede bullish trends reversal. So let's check out Ergo for ourselves. There we have it. It's ranked just around 246 in the world. So that's why I was a little bit confused, because the website said it ranked around 22. So I think they probably missed a digit. But this is Ergo. I'm pretty sure I've spoken about Ergo before. I've definitely reviewed the platform. I've definitely reviewed the coin. So there'll be a video on our channel. You can check that out for yourself. But Ergo, like many coins, this is one of the few coins that have lost the least in terms of the last month, because last month it was stabilized around $1.37. Right now it's $1.20. So considering everything, it actually hasn't lost that much in 1 month. However, if you look at the 3 months time lapse, you can see it's lost a lot more than you can ever expect. It was at $2.79. So one could say it's undervalued at 70 million in market cap. One could definitely say it's undervalued. Now, the next one that we have to have a look at is Coti fork that goes live. Coti is a financial technology platform that allows organizations to build their own payment system and stablecoins. The platform supports interoperability between different blockchains. The native token from the platform is Coti. Coti mainnet hard fork went live on December 29th. The launch represented a transition of Coti from a single cryptocurrency infrastructure to a multi-token network. It will now be possible to issue tokens on top of the Coti Trust chain in a similar fashion to ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Additionally, the Bridge 2.0 wallet was released simultaneously. The app will allow users to apply for a refund if a swap does not execute for technical reasons. Coti is another token that we've definitely reviewed. I remember reviewing Coti. Truth to be told, I haven't looked at Coti in quite some time, but we've definitely looked on Coti before. It's perhaps time to do an upgrade on some of these tokens. It's perhaps time to do an update video on some of these tokens, because it's 2023. The platforms are changing. The blockchain is changing quite a lot. And I'm guessing this year we're going to have a lot of big surprises. So it's probably time that I do an updated video. But Coti, like a lot of other cryptocurrencies, lost tons of value. In fact, in the last month, it's lost over 30%. That's quite major. I've seen bigger though. I've seen bigger in terms of losses. So in the last 3 months, it's actually incurred a lot of losses, to say the least. It's lost half of its value in the last 3 months alone. But that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see more. Leave a comment. And of course, I will see you in our next video.